Meet Dusk, the first pair of app-enabled Electrochromic Smart Sunglasses. You control the exact tint level of the lenses. Choose between dark, light, or anywhere in between. Quickly switch between preset tint levels directly on the frame. Built-in speakers and microphones allow for hand-free calling.
Hey, good morning.
And easy access to your favorite voice assistant.
Hey Siri, play my favorites playlist.
Opening your audio allows you to listen to music or podcasts anywhere, all while staying aware of your surroundings. 4 hours of listening time and 20 days of standby time on a single charge. Charge from 0 to 80% in just 15 minutes. And an AirTag holder connects them with Apple's Find My app. Dusk are designed with a timeless frame style, premium materials, and a matte black finish. They are engineered to be durable and waterproof, and polarized lenses let you see the world in high definition. You'll never want to take them off. From dawn till dusk.
All tech all the time.